today's episode, we're going grocery shopping. Jessica's family's in town. I need a couple of things before they get home. Right now they're in Napa, and they should be here in a couple hours, so I gotta make this vlog kind of quick. Oh yeah, and happy Easter to you guys. Even though you guys won't see this party until like a couple of days after Easter, but happy Easter to you guys, and let's go to the store. I really didn't make a list, you know, everything's here. Everything is always here. But I got this though, trust me. Gotta get the ketchup. Gotta get these. Gotta have the bacon. This stuff is so bad for you, and I'm still gonna get it anyway. I don't really drink beer, but Jessica wants it, so I'm just gonna get it anyway. Gotta get the OJ. Look like they got a sale going on. About to stock up. Gotta get these one time. This right here is a must. Times be rough in the bathroom. Oh, you gotta get these. This is something I can't stay away from. It has to go in there. Gotta get this. It's all smacked. The only thing I hate about being half black, this is a must. I'm telling you. About to stock up. You know, I really don't do too much for Food Max. Just buy like a couple things, and that's it. Keep it original, you know? Trying to save some money. No, we did pretty good, you know? Did about $83. Something good. Alright, now we're gonna go make some time lapses. I'm gonna teleport you when we get there. So we're here at Costco right now, making a time lapse. We got the GoPro on top of the car. We got this one right over there. They don't know that it's closed on Easter, so we're just here watching people do donuts in the Costco parking lot. It's like a mess over here. Look at all them cars.